I replaced Google with AI for 24 hours.
And honestly, this got way more interesting than I expected. Think about it. Every time you have a question, your first instinct is Google.
like checking the weather, searching for a product, or learning something new.
But what if AI could replace that completely? So here was the rule: no Google, only AI for the next 24 hours. First, a simple search. Then I asked AI the same thing. Then I tried something more complex. Something that usually takes multiple searches. But AI gave me everything in one structured answer.
This is where it got interesting.
But then I hit a problem. The answer didn't feel completely accurate. And this is where Google still wins. So I tried something real. And followed exactly what it suggested.
And surprisingly, it worked. By the end of the day, I barely missed Google.
And that is when I realized something. AI cannot replace Google completely, but for most things, it is already better.